So you've clicked on this video because maybe your joints feel stiff, your muscles feel tight, or maybe you're starting to notice your body just isn't as flexible or strong as it once was. Well, let me tell you, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you exactly why Pilates is one of the best things you can do for stiff joints and aging muscles, especially if you're over 50. Whether you're brand new to Pilates or you've been curious about it for years, this video will break it all down for you. No complicated language, no intimidating poses, just real, honest advice tailored for you. Before we dive in, here's what we'll cover in the video. What Pilates actually is and why it works so well for people over 50, how it helps with stiffness, balance and posture, why it's safer than most gym workouts, and right at the end, I'm going to walk you through 3 beginner-friendly Pilates movements that you can try today, even if you're totally new or haven't exercised in a while. So stick around because this could be a game changer for your body. But quickly, before we get going, if you're someone who's 50 or older and you want to stay pain-free, mobile and strong, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell. This channel is packed with practical tips and real solutions to help you feel younger, stronger and more confident in your body. Let's start with the basics. Pilates is a low-impact exercise method that focuses on strengthening your core, improving your posture and lengthening your muscles rather than bulking them up. It was originally developed for rehabilitation, so it's gentle but powerful, and it's perfect for people dealing with tight hips, stiff shoulders, achy back, or just a general feeling of being less flexible than you used to be. And here's the best part. It meets you exactly where you're at. You don't have to be super bendy or fit. In fact, it's designed to help people improve gradually, safely, and consistently. Now, let's talk about why Pilates is especially good for those of us over 50. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, flexibility, and joint mobility. But the right kind of movement can slow and even reverse those changes. Here's what Pilates does. It improves joint lubrication and flexibility, strengthens muscles without strain, enhances posture and balance, crucial for fall prevention, supports your spine and helps with back pain. And most importantly, it builds a deep awareness of your body and movement. And unlike high-impact workouts or boot camps, Pilates protects your joints while strengthening your body. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried Pilates before, or are you brand new and maybe a bit nervous? Drop a comment below or get in touch with us directly. We love hearing your stories, your wins, and your questions. And if you're local to Lisburn or nearby, don't forget, you can book in with us for a one-to-one session to get started the right way. And remember, stick around because at the end, I'll guide you through 3 simple Pilates moves that are perfect for easing stiffness and improving mobility, right from your living room. And if you haven't met me yet, I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy here in Lisburn, and this is the 10X Physio channel. We are specialists in helping people aged 50 plus stay pain-free, mobile and strong, so they can keep doing the things they love and stay out of the doctor's office. Whether it's joint pain, back issues, or general stiffness, we've helped thousands of people just like you feel better, move easier, and get back to life. Now, let's get into the superpowers of Pilates for aging muscles. Core activation. Your core isn't just your abs, it's your deep stabilizing muscles, and Pilates activates them in a way that protects your back and improves every movement you make. Your breath and movement. Pilates teaches you how to breathe in sync with your movement. That might sound simple, but it's incredibly powerful, especially for reducing stress and improving oxygen flow. Control and precision. Unlike mindless gym reps, Pilates focuses on how you move, not just how much. That level of focus makes it great for retraining the body after injury or inactivity. Let me ask you this. Do you wake up stiff? Do your knees or hips creak going upstairs? Do you want to move more but don't know where to start? If you answered yes to any of these, Pilates is for you. You don't need to be flexible or fit to start. That's the whole point. You just need a bit of floor space, a mat, and a willingness to give it a go. And remember, it's progress, not perfection. All right, you made it a good bit. Let me show you 3 gentle beginner Pilates movements that you can try today. So this is our pelvic tilt. So we're basically lying on the mat, on our back, our knees are bent and feet are flat on the floor. And we're gently rocking the pelvis back and forth. So when we do that, we rock the pelvis forward, the lower back arches away from the mat. And then we rock the pelvis back and the lower back flattens to the mat. So we just do it again, we're going forward, lower back arches, and then we flatten as we roll the pelvis back. We'll do that one more time. So we arch the lower back, we roll the pelvis forward, lower back arches away from the mat, and then roll the pelvis back and we flatten. And again, we can do this for 5 to 8 repetitions. This exercise is our roll down, so it's a gentle way to stretch your spine and improve your posture. So we start off standing up just nice and tall here. I'm going to take my chin gently down to my chest, and then we just start to roll the shoulders forward and we let the spine just curl over. We roll down, we're taking a breath in there, and then a breath out, we tuck the tailbone underneath. We're restacking the spine and we're coming up again just nice and tall. Remember just to open up those shoulders. We'll just do one more. So again, chin comes down to the chest, the shoulders roll forward, the spine starts to curl over. We roll all the way down, take a breath in at the bottom and then breath out. Tailbone tucks underneath, restack the spine and we come up nice and tall. This is our seated spine twist. So it's perfect for the mid-back and to help improve your spinal rotation. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to bring my arms up just into this Cossack position. Okay, we're going to take a breath in. On the breath out, we're going to turn to one side. Take a breath in, breath out, and we can rotate all the way around to the other side. Take a breath in, and then breath out, rotate again back over to the other side. Breath in, and then breath out. We rotate back and over to that other side. And then we can come back and into the middle. So again, remember, we're trying to stay up nice and tall here. We don't want the spine to hunch down like so. Remember, we're trying to improve that posture, so we're up just nice and tall as you rotate to each side. So do just 5 to 10 reps of each of these exercises every day, and I guarantee you'll start feeling a difference in how your body moves and feels. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying strong and mobile as you age. And if you want to keep going, check out the next video, which is on the screen here. This is another video of our Pilates videos with 3 simple beginner movements. Or if you're local, get in touch and we can help guide you in person. Thanks for watching. Here's to moving better, feeling better, and living life on your own terms. I'll see you in the next video.